Hey guys, it's Susanna with T-Mobile. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your AirPods or AirPod Pros to your Android device. For more tips and tricks just like this, be sure to subscribe below and ring the bell for notifications. Let's get started. Now, whether you have a pair of AirPods or AirPods Pro, your process should be the same. First, go to the settings on your phone and make sure that Bluetooth is on. To do so on your Android device, open Settings, select Connections, then Bluetooth. Next, make sure both AirPods are in the charging case and the lid is open. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until you see the status light flash white. When your AirPods appear on the list of Bluetooth devices, select them. Once paired, you will be good to go. Be sure to leave a comment below and tell us what you're listening to on your AirPods. Thanks for watching and don't miss the video coming up next.